Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Okay, so we're going to get right to our Get Smart project. This one is coming from Savvy in our first grade. He did a project on the human heart and the anatomy. Now, the anatomy means all of its parts and how they come together. So, our anatomy are our bones, um, and in the heart, it would be the veins and the arteries. So what's cool about what Savvy did here is that she colored some of them red and some of them blue, some of the parts, and told us what the red means. So red means that it's coming from the lungs, and blue from the body. So when the blood goes around in your body, when it goes to the lungs, it gets oxygen and then brings that oxygen to the body. So the oxygen essentially turns the blood red, let's call it. And then after the oxygen is delivered, the blood that comes back is blue, and then it gets reoxygenated, gets more oxygen from the lungs and circulates through the heart. Sammy, this is very cool. And she took this from her first human body book. Love that, Savvy. So keep it coming. Let's teach everybody a little bit more about our how our body works. Now, that leads me to the Wordle. So I saved that project for today because the Wordle, several of you selected Learn. You said, well, it looks like, hold on. I had to get my marker, but it could have been Learn. I'll show you. So the letter here is R because that's the most used consonant. Okay, and I said this one is another consonant that's used a lot. So if it was learn, it would have looked like this. So N is a consonant that is used often, R and the E. That was an excellent guess. But many of you got this. So we have 215, 214, 226, 227. We have 207. And what's this one? 217. So this is the consonant. If you got T there and you kept these two vowels and used the clue I just gave you by Savvy, the word is heart. Yes, and of course the clue is McVeigh. Now learn would also fit that clue, so I love that. And in essence, if you selected learn, you do have a correct answer because the clues that I had given to that point matched your words. I love that. Good thinking, but heart is the word because that's what we should all bring with us to school every day. Our heart is about our love for each other, our love for our school, and our love of learning. And when we spoke in the beginning of the year at our meetings, we all have a job every day. If we bring our heart to our job, this is as teachers, as students, as principals, things are going to go well because we will love each other, we will love what we're doing, and we'll do it well. So that's what McVeigh is about. It's about having heart and bringing heart to McVeigh every single day. All right. And getting to our mystery number. So take a look. So I said, well, we're looking for the tens. And this has 3 letters, a silent letter. And then I said it's even. And yep. So many of you got this. I have probably hundreds of responses. So many. So proud of you. And some full classes, like, for example, 217. I think I have the whole class who got it. Yes, 27, 2 tens and 7 ones. So we'll have another mystery number next week. So it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Da, da, da. So the Mighty Kind moment of the day today is going out to Jaylee and Miss Napolitano's class. Now, there are boys and girls in our school that speak other languages. And sometimes they speak those other languages better than they speak English when they first get here. Well, Jaylee speaks 2 languages and spends a lot of her time helping people in her class learn English and helping them with things that they need help with. And that's hard. It's like doing twice the work. Does it with a smile every single day. And that is super duper mighty kind. She does not have to do that. She goes out of her way. And I just want to say, thank you, Jaylee. And I know that the people you're helping would thank you too. So what can you do to help a friend in McVeigh? Something. Why? Because you have heart. And because you're a mighty mind. A mighty kind mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.